Hey everyone, check out this portable blender with a large 20-ounce capacity, perfect for shakes and smoothies. It features a powerful 240W motor and 6-leaf stainless steel blades that easily crush ice, fruits, and veggies. The sleek diamond-cut design shines in the sun and includes 12 LED lights to show battery and blend status. With an IP67 waterproof rating, cleaning is quick and safe without worrying about spills. This blender is lightweight, USB rechargeable, and comes with a travel lid, silicone straw, and carry loop for blending on the go. It offers customizable blending modes, including a pulse function for tougher ingredients like nuts and frozen fruit. Just one click or double click lets you blend or pulse effortlessly anytime, anywhere. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.